Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing the Vevor 7-in-1 Wi-Fi weather station, which you can find on Vevor's official site. We tested it to see if this affordable weather station is truly accurate or just a fancy toy. Setting up was straightforward, and connecting to Wi-Fi worked without hassle. The station gives readings for temperature, humidity, rainfall, wind speed, and more. We like that the display is clear and easy to read, and the mobile app integration makes it convenient to check data remotely. The downside is that accuracy can fluctuate during extreme weather, and while it's fine for general use, it might not satisfy professionals who demand precise readings. The build quality is decent, but the plastic housing may not hold up for years in harsh environments. Overall, for casual weather tracking and home use, this station is a solid budget-friendly option. For scientific level precision, you'll need a higher-end model. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.